Hi guys, this is Diti. I am back with an interesting video and मैंने ये टाइम सोचा कि कुछ ऐसा वीडियो बनाते हैं जो हेल्प करे सबको एंड नो वन रियली टेल्स यू अबाउट इट जब आप नए नए इंडिया से इमिग्रेट होते हो आयरलैंड सो हियर आर 5 अनटोल्ड डिफरेंसेस जो इंडिया और आयरिश कल्चर में डिफरेंस है आई दीज आर वेरी माइन्यूट कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस जो हम फिगर आउट करने का ट्राई करते हैं इन द इनिशियल स्टेजेस व्हेन वी मूव इन बिटवीन एवरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग जो इतनी चीज़ें फिगर आउट करनी होती है इन द बिगिनिंग विद इंक्लूडिंग द वीज़ा प्रोसेस एंड द वेज टू एक्सेस पब्लिक सिस्टम यहाँ पे how to live on your own and how to talk to people and so इतना fear and nervousness होता है हम लोग को जब whenever we move here from India for the first time. It is exciting, but it is actually good to have some facts known either before you come here or while you are here and you are just like 6 months here and you're still trying to figure out. तो here is this video जो यहाँ पे 5 unsaid things जो यहाँ पे कोई नहीं सिखाता very sort of social cultural sort of a difference जो इंडिया और आयरलैंड में मैंने देखा है this is my experience and including all the people who I know who have immigrated from India to Ireland. So let's go. So first thing, the first thing is be humble. यहाँ पे culture is यहाँ वहाँ पे इंडिया में हम लोग बहुत ही chill attitude से रहते हैं. We are very, of course, we are the citizens of the country. यहाँ पे visa issues है. You have to, and the culture here of Irish people in general is very कि वो लोग काफी humble हैं. They always say thank you, please, sorry. वहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत स्पीड से फास्ट वे में एंड वी ट्राई टेन टू इग्नोर ह्यूमन वैल्यूज यहाँ पे इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू एड्रेस द अदर पर्सन इन अ हम्बल वे सो you might so even when you start applying for part-time jobs if you are a student and यहाँ पे आके if you start talking to Irish people जो तुम्हारे मे बी क्लास में हो या यहाँ पे कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क में you go और गवर्नमेंट में या जब तुम वीज़ा के लिए अप्लाई करते हो wherever you come across Irish people or even if you have a job you have Irish colleagues so be humble they are very good to talk to but at the same time if you are not humble they'll dislike you so यहाँ पे human values की बहुत importance है so first is from wherever you are in India try to stay humble and acknowledge your mistakes say sorry uh, be true to yourself but also at the same time try to understand the other person's perspective also. So that's first thing, staying humble. Second thing is valuing honesty. यहाँ पे whenever you apply to even तुम अगर नए student हो, you apply for part time, you have you are an immigrant, so everyone here knows, every Irish person knows that you need visa. You have only certain hours of working and all. So please, please, please don't try to lie about how many hours you can work. Don't try to exaggerate that you can work more capacity. We Indians are very used to working. So हम लोग काफी सारी चीजें फास्ट कर सकते हैं and we can go ahead. But यहाँ पे strict visa rules के हिसाब से and people here are generally they generally know things. So they'll try to test you. अगर तुम part time के लिए भी apply कर रहे हो they'll ask you if you want to work only for 20 hours. So you have to say even if they don't ask you about your visa, they'll know because you are an immigrant. They'll know that you only have 20 hours of work. So please don't lie. Be honest. Honesty is the best policy here, genuinely. इंडिया में शायद ना हो, बट वहाँ पे बहुत हम लोग चीज़ें चला लेते हैं. वी आर वेरी यूज टू कि भाई हाँ ये तो चल जाएगा, अरे ठीक है, दैट डजेंट मैटर. नो, यहाँ पे everyone knows everyone. It's a small country, it's a small city. Dublin is a small city. So try to stay honest, um, and see things as they are in reality, and speak out your mind in an humble and in an honest way. Everyone knows what you are going through. So yeah, that's the second thing that is different here. So, orientation, third thing is process orientation versus goal orientation approach. इंडिया में हम लोग बहुत गोल ओरिएंटेड अप्रोच में काम करते हैं. लाइक ये हो जाएगा, डू दिस. वी आर वेरी फास्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ वी वांट टू अचीव अ सर्टेन गोल, एंड उसके लिए हम कुछ भी जुगाड़ लगा सकते हैं, वो वाला एटीट्यूड होता है. बट यहाँ पे इट इज़ अ वेरी प्रोसेस ओरिएंटेड, very sort of legalized, very sort of uh, should I say बहुत ही केयरफुल वे में लोग काम करते हैं. There's GDPR as well. So यहाँ पे everything comes via either mail as in actual letters for communication if you're communicating with the government or anything, or it happens via email. So यहाँ पे आके कोई नहीं ये तुम्हें बताता that everything is communicated either by mail, actual mail by post, or by email. So they have to go to through a certain process because GDPR is aligned with certain process to be followed. And this is just one example. यहाँ पे approach is more about process orientation versus जो इंडिया में हम लोग गोल ओरिएंटेड होते हैं. सो दिस विल ये टिप आपको और जगह पे भी काम आएगी. इफ यू आर मोर प्रोसेस फोकस्ड हियर, you have better chances of getting a job as well. So yeah, it's it's you have to have that patience to follow process versus getting things done while approach in India. So yeah, you have to get used to that. It might be a little frustrating in the beginning, but that's how things are. So that's the third thing that you have to be careful of. Fourth thing is it's something. So यहाँ पे people are really very humorous and sometimes sarcastic, but in a fun way. So stop taking things literally. India में we are very used to taking things as is, as in जो भी लोग बोलते हैं we just like we go with that वाली चीज होती है. And we are very direct in our communication in India. यहाँ पे people are quite indirect, and there's no good or bad. Every culture has their own way of communicating. Every culture has their own pros and cons of communication and to be in a certain way. So while there are multiple things which are good about Indian approach of certain things, there are good things about Irish approach as well. This is a way that this is a tip which is very, very important, and no one will ever tell you until you learn about it. Okay, so it's very important to keep this in mind that यहाँ पे जो भी लोग बोलने का ट्राई करते हैं, they are not, so they'll be very good on your face sometimes, and शायद पीछे से कुछ और उनका मतलब हो. So in India, we are usually very straight, and when we emote, we get angry, we are very upfront about our emotions. But यहाँ पे people are quite cautious, and they are they might just say, fantastic, you did a great job, you did an awesome job. It's only to encourage you and to make you feel better. Sometimes it's literal, sometimes it's it you did a fantastic job. Here, someone saying that translates into generally you did a good job, which translates as is in Indian sort of mindset. So I don't know if this is clear, but being sort of indirect versus direct in communication are sort of two different ways of communicating. And nothing's wrong. It's just how different things, different culture, different way of being is for different people and different cultures. So yeah, that's point four. And the last fifth point is health over work approach versus India may we have work versus work over health approach. So यहाँ पे human health, human um, genuinely if you have to sort of यहाँ पे humanistic approach ज़्यादा है, which is a good thing. But India में it's more about getting things done wala approach. So if you want things to be done quickly, they might just not happen. If someone is ill, you have to respect that. And this is just how things are. So health and leisure comes health and mental health and physical health is a top priority here. This no one tells you here, but this is just, I mean, I wanted to make a video of what the real differences are in here, uh, and you have to be genuine. Look, if you are not well, uh, and you did not work on something, if you were allotted to do something, be honest. Tell them that you are not well. Uh, you they'll they'll always encourage you to take a holiday or stop the work. So यहाँ पे human health is prioritized over work. And इंडिया में इट्स ऑफ कोर्स कि काम खत्म करना है, जल्दी खत्म करना है, एंड काम करके वर्क को ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी देते हैं ओवर हेल्थ. सो या, that's the fifth difference. And all of these five things that I've mentioned are just differences जो मैंने observe किया and everyone around me have experienced it, but no one taught me these. And if you are new, these would be super helpful to you. And nothing is good or bad. It's just how things are. There are pros and cons in every culture. So it's not just about Irish versus Indian culture or Indian society versus Irish society and ways of things. But it's just how it is. These tips are meant to help you. Please don't exploit them. These are meant to help you and grasp the cultural differences in a better way. And if the tips were helpful to you, and yeah, let me know in comments if you need such videos, such truthful videos more. And bye. See you in the next video. Take care. And guys, please don't forget, starting में शायद तुम्हें अकेला फील हो, शायद you confuse a lot of things, आपको nervous feel हो, शायद आपको रोना आए, शायद आपको कुछ समझ में ना आए. Comment section में जाके let everyone know, because that will help not just you, everyone who is feeling the same and is going through the same sort of pain. You just remember that you're not alone. You have taken a bold step, you have taken a huge step. Not many people are open to moving countries. It's a very huge step. It's a challenge. to your lifestyle. You are literally starting from scratch, and that's not an easy job to figure out. Even if you have friends here, you have to do things on your own. So just be confident about yourself, and even if you face difficulties, understanding the differences, understanding, and if no one is helping you out or you're not able to figure out and आपको लगे रात को सोते वक्त कि भाई because these things have happened with me as well, that there is no one to take care of you, and you might feel overwhelmed sometimes with all the changes क्योंकि अगर आप student हो तो you have lots of pressure to get part time with all the competition, to study, to figure out the college, to figure out new friends, to figure out the entire scenario of food and take care of your entire routine of the day. Yeah, so it is very overwhelming in the beginning. Just comment straight away in this on this videos. Comment below and bye.